Good morning, Benadol present here. Here our topic is importance of yoga. So, you have any cases about what is are the importance of yoga? Yes, it is gives you clear mind visions of our body and improve the thinking capacities and the relevant of the human beings create a positivity of our nature. So these are we have to see the first slide. What is the importance of yoga? So first is a it is a flexibilities, so it gives a boost the immunities of the body, improve flexibilities. So once we doing a yoga, it gives a boost of our bodies, so we have the good thoughts and they maintain the happy pleasure of our body. So they some of the following activities are given. So benefits we have to say, first one is improve flexibility and posture. So while you're doing a yoga regularly, your flexible postures will be improve. So of course strengthening the muscles, of course. So when doing yoga is continuously, your muscles, your body, mind, everything is given a best and positive strengthening way. Next one is enhancing respiratory functions. So respiratory function like lungs, prayasanas, so these are the next, it gives the oxygen intake while doing the respiratory functions yogas, like sitting up postures, different yasanas as this, hatha yasanas, padmasanas. So while doing this types of yogas, it's increasing our body flexibilities, and also it's a keep a mind happily and feel very happy. Be a patient, negative thoughts will be avoided. So here we doing a prayasanas is a breathing exercises, and also it is gives a oxygen capacities will be increases, boost immunities. So reduce yoga it's reducing stress, you already know that, improving immunities response. Then weight management and practicing a yoga, increasing a metabolism. So some people, so it will be well continuously regular practicing a yoga, the metabolism level will be increases. So metabolism level, our body strengthening level will be increases. So it easy to activate it by doing a yoga regularly. Next slide, mental benefit of yoga. So while doing a yoga in a physically, we have to see what are the changes will be happen in mentally, in inner peace. We get a inner pieces. Deep breathing meditation is a lower cholesterol stress hormones, so we're reducing the stress and anxiety. Then yoga sharpening a mental clarity, your thinking capacity will be increased. You are making decisions while taking a decisions of one particular point will be a cut and clear. You don't confusing this or that. So that point, that the type of the clarity will be in taking a decision will be doing a yoga, promote emotional stabilities. So uh, we reducing the hunger, fluctuation, negative thoughts while doing the yogas, encourage better sleep, of course. The time you have to sleep, so as vyasanams will help you to improve your sleeping qualities. So you don't want to using the mobiles and on a screen times. So if you do a yoga regularly, time you have to sleep, gun time you have to sleep, so the type of the yogas will be benefits. So emotional and spiritual well-being, so self-awareness, so it's giving a inner peace. Already I'm so saying that the balance emotion, reducing mood swings. So the sort that we have to reducing that while doing the yoga. Develop the spiritual connections, yes, of course. While doing a yoga, you have to the get inner pieces, like for example, we have to take that yoga, isha, yes. So while doing the in a enter into isha yoga center, so you keep just a Pradmasanam. There is a close your eyes and listening our two eyebrow points. So here just you have to listening that the negative thoughts will be released. Your mind will be feel fresh by doing this yoga. So that type of thing you have to feel that inner peace. So just you have to try, students. Just you have to just only nothing is possible, nothing actually. What is that? Just in morning, is early morning, wake up and do this yoga from just simply have to padmasanams. So the two legs will be folded, then sitting straight, listening mild point of your eyebrows, a central point we have to say that. So just you listening 1 week you see the difference in your body. Next one is yoga and daily life. Yes, I already have said that, but here I give you explanations. Morning yoga. Suppose you have to doing a morning yoga means prepare for the energizing the bodies. So it should be a day when I'm doing a morning, it give a energetic will be end of the day. Office yoga, simple stretches for back pain, reducing a back pain. Evening yoga is a relax of the body. Mind breathful yoga exercise, practicing or reducing anxieties. So mostly 15 to 13 minutes of regular yoga, it will be giving a benefits. Yoga of different ages, children's enhancing. So children's, what kind of different ages we have doing the yogas. So every types, any ages is will be applicable. So first of all we have to move on to children's. So children's during a yoga means the hyper reducing a hyperactivities. So the yoga is reducing the hyperactivity, improving the postures. Adult, so stress in reducing a stress in manager levels and energy levels. Seniors are flexibility, joint pains will be reduced. Pregnant women also doing this yoga, reducing the back pains, improving the breathing and controls. Conclusions. So here, yoga is a holistic practice, promotes the physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So here it's a promote the physical strength. And practicing a regular yoga, it's give we are inner pieces of our body. Quotes. Yoga is a self-thought and self to the self. Bhagavad Gita. Thank you for watching this.